Quick overview of the best whole house water filter, Irvine, California, by Pure Elements Water.
Hi, this is Rick from Pure Elements, and I'd like to talk to you for a minute about our salt-free whole house water filtration and conditioning systems. We have 4 goals with this. The first is to reduce hard water issues without the use of salt or chemicals. The second is to provide a chemical-free bathing and showering experience, as well as a chemical-free living environment. The third is to provide an exceptional quality for your drinking water from every faucet in the home and to every ice maker without the need for an additional under-the-counter drinking water system. And fourth, we would like to totally eliminate the risks of pinhole leaks caused by chloramines and calcium carbonate buildup in copper plumbing, which is epidemic in Southern California right now and causing millions of dollars of water damage. So please reach out to us. We'd love to talk to you about what we can do to provide all of these things in your home. Thank you.
Pure Elements Water overview of the best whole house water filter, Irvine, California.
If you are looking to improve your household water quality, from drinking water to bathing and showering in your home living environment to reducing hard water issues without salt and without the use of any chemicals, we would love to help you with that. So please take a minute, give us a call at the number below. We'll be happy to answer your questions and give you all the information you need to make an educated decision and get the best system for your needs at the right price point.